Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very special, super delicious, and totally different dessert that kids and adults both absolutely love. This recipe is perfect for birthdays, parties, or any special occasion. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this soft and creamy 3-milk cake recipe. Cake batter preparation, 020 to 120. First, take 3 eggs in a mixing bowl. Add half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now beat everything really well using an electric beater. If you don't have one, you can also use a hand whisk. Beat until the mixture becomes light, fluffy, and bubbly. This step is very important for a soft cake. Now in a separate bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Mix everything well and sift it once. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the egg mixture and fold gently. Do not overmix, just fold until the batter is smooth. Baking the cake, 120 to 150. Grease a cake mold with oil and pour the batter into it. Tap it lightly to remove air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool completely. Cream preparation, 150 to 230. While the cake is cooling, let's prepare the cream. Take 1 cup whipping cream. Add sugar to taste. And half a cup condensed milk. Beat it well until you get a thick, smooth, and fluffy cream. Keep it refrigerated until use. Milk mixture, 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Now for the milk mixture. Take some milk in a pan, add a little sugar and condensed milk. And cook it for a few minutes on low heat. We want it warm and slightly sweet, not too thick. Assembly and decoration, 3 to 340. Now poke small holes in the cooled cake using a fork. Slowly pour the prepared milk mixture over the cake so it absorbs nicely. Next, spread the whipped cream evenly on top. You can decorate it however you like. Flowers, swirls, or a simple smooth finish. For garnish, you can add chocolate